make it with love.
Let's start by create a new workbook. Simply press Ctrl and N on your keyboard. You'll now see that you have two workbooks open. To create another one, simply repeat the shortcut. Like now, we have three workbooks open. To navigate between these workbooks, press Ctrl and Tab. And you can cycle through each workbook by continuing to press Tab. Once you found that workbook you want, release both keys. If you want to close the workbook you just created, press Ctrl and W. To create a new sheet within a workbook, press Shift and F11. You can navigate between the sheets using Ctrl and the page up or page down keys on your keyboard. To delete a sheet, press Alt, H, D, and S. If you want to duplicate a sheet, press Ctrl and click on the sheet you want to duplicate. Then drag it to where you want it to be. If you want to make a change to all sheets at once, press Ctrl and click on each sheet you want to edit. Once you've made your changes, press Enter. To navigate between cells, you can use the arrows keys on your keyboard, up, down, right, and left. And you can pressing the Tab key to move right, while pressing Shift and Tab, it make you moves to the left. You can also navigate a range of cells by pressing Ctrl and the arrows keys. To scroll up and down a page, use the page up and page down keys. To move left and right in the page, press Shift and the page up or page down keys. To copy a cell to the right, press Ctrl and R, and to copy it down, press Ctrl and D. To highlight cells, use the arrow keys while holding down the Shift key. And to highlight a range of cells, press Ctrl and the arrow keys while holding down the Shift key. To highlight an entire column, press Ctrl and the Space key. And to highlight an entire row, press Shift and the Space key. Once you've learned how to highlight a column and row, you can also insert a new row or column. To do this, highlight the column or row where you want to add a new one. Then press Ctrl and plus key in your keyboard. To delete a column or row, highlight it and press Ctrl and minus key in your keyboard. You can also insert and delete rows and columns without highlighting anything. Simply go to where you want to edit or delete a row or column and press Ctrl and plus or minus key on your keyboard. To create a table in Excel, highlight the range you want to include and click Ctrl and T key in your keyboard. If you want to hide a row or column, press Ctrl and the right or left bracket, respectively. To format a cell, press Ctrl and 1. And to calculate the sum of cells, press Ctrl and equal key in your keyboard. Finally, if you want to move a row, highlight it and then click and drag it to where you want it to be. You will see a green line indicating where the row will be inserted. If you have a list and you don't want to rewrite what you've already written, simply go down the list and click Alt and the down arrow.